Hey there, future educators. Welcome to Brainy Hacks, where we make learning fun and exciting. Today, we're diving into the golden journey of becoming a teacher in California. Ready to change lives and shape minds? Let's go. Let's talk about the basics. To teach in California, you'll need a bachelor's degree. Any subject will do, but something in education or the subject you want to teach will give you a head start. You've got your degree. Next up, the CTC, California Commission on Teacher Credentialing. Think of them as the gatekeepers of teaching. They set all the rules, and trust me, they're not as scary as they sound. Next, time to choose your path. Do you see yourself as the hero of story time in an elementary classroom? Or maybe as the cool high school teacher who makes math magical? Either way, you'll need to complete a teacher preparation program. This is where you learn all the tricks of the trade, like classroom management, lesson planning, and how to keep a straight face when a kid says something hilariously unexpected. Now about those tests. You'll need to pass the CBEST, California Basic Educational Skills Test, and the CSET, California Subject Examinations for Teachers, for your subject area. Think of these as your golden tickets to the teaching world. And just like in Willy Wonka, you're in for an adventure. Next stop, student teaching. This is where the real fun begins. You'll be paired with a seasoned teacher who will show you the ropes. It's like being an apprentice in a magical guild, learning, observing, and eventually teaching solo. Remember, every great teacher started as a student teacher. Embrace the experience and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, mistakes ignite the brain's insight. Once you've completed your student teaching and passed your tests, it's time to apply for your credential. This involves some paperwork, but hey, you've come this far. You've got this. Once approved, you're officially a teacher in California. Now it's time to land that dream job. Start by polishing your resume, nailing that interview, and showcasing your passion for teaching. Schools are always looking for enthusiastic educators ready to make a difference. And there you have it. From degree to dream job, you're all set to inspire the next generation of Californians. Remember, teaching isn't just a job, it's a journey. You'll laugh, you'll learn, and you'll make a lasting impact. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational fun. See you in the classroom.